Ga ga ga. Ga 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 ga. Ga 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 ga. But where'd it go? Oh, object permanence. Notice it didn't disappear. Yes. Oh, yeah. The babbling is a really important precursor stage to speech development. So if your child hasn't been babbling, then we really got to work on that too. Babbling using consonant and vowels like gaga, baba, mama, dada. Not necessarily the words mama and dada, but using them in a fun, babbling, just word, it's sound play for the children. It's sound play. So to show you what I mean, I'm going to show you a video of my nephew, and he was 11 months, and he's babbling. And you'll notice that he makes some different sounds. And then I make a sound in copy of him, and then I make a new sound to challenge him and give him a new sound. Remember, by 12 months, they turn that babbling into their first real word, and their words continue to develop from there.
What?
Good job.
Visit my website so you can check out all my free resources. Follow me on social media. We'll stay connected and you'll never miss out on my new posts and resources. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and share. Bye-bye.